The Luxor Shallow End swimming pool sports a beautiful and modern rectangular pool shape. This particular model fits handsomely in backyards with lots of room for installation. Secondly, it can elevate the aesthetic appeal of your yard if complemented by modern furniture and decking. However you decide to dress up this fiberglass pool, you're going to reap the benefits of its beautiful design. By installing it, you're going to immediately enhance the appeal of your backyard and will enjoy its beauty. The Luxor Shallow End provides a stunning length of 43.7 inches. This length is exceptional for lap swimming and lots of pool games. Your children and guests will love the Luxor Shallow End because of its large size and complementary features. The Luxor Shallow End is an enticing display of our ability at San Juan Pools to design beautiful fiberglass swimming pools. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.